Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to zoom out uh, in Microsoft Office Access. Now open your Access database and follow these steps. Well, there is two methods to zoom out or zoom in Microsoft Access. The first one is just going to a record and click on your shifts on the keyboard and F2 keyboard. Now it will pop up the zoom uh, window. In here you can uh, just zoom out and zoom in uh, your record or your text just by adding the fonts here and clicking OK. As you can see, this is the first method because there is no direct method to zoom in or zoom out like the other Office softwares like Excel or Word. You will find there is a zoom button here that you can do. Here, there is only this zoom option with the Shift plus F2 on your keyboard or of your keyboard, or you can simply change the fonts of all the records by just going to the text formatting, and you will modify like the size of your fonts here, and you will be adjusting the fields like that, just adding like some width, and now you have zoomed your tables here. And to zoom out or go back, just resize your font to the first size. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.